Hi and Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh to everyone. My name is Daniel Mustaqim bin Azmi with number EC19023. So today I want to present to you about our introduction of our project. Okay, first also problem statement. So our background studies is attending the program at the university. So sometimes organizer having difficulty to take the attendance of participant while conducting the activity. So we decide to develop the application to track participant location. So the main objective for our project is to develop a systematic attendance system who attend the online classes, who attend the online activity, face-to-face activity, and also provided list of who does not attend the program. So, and also we want to create a database for the organizer and the student that can be used as the reference in the future, because we also provided the merit detail. So the scope of our project is the application will develop by using the MIT apps inventor, and also we want to use the GPS mode. So when the GPS mode is on, so the system can determine the student location. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum and hello everyone. My name is Muhammad Fahmi Safwan bin Yahya with ID number EA19034. Today I would like to present on my part, which is methodology. First one is data flow diagram. Data flow diagram contains level 0, level 1 and level 2. At level 0, it has 3 primary input: an application interface that contains user command and data, a GPS system that can detect position details, and a cloud base that update event information. The program will process and analyze all this data in order to give the relevant output to the users. In this application, there are two primary output. First one is the user must show merit details in the application interface and then record the event data and also update it through cloud base so that the user information is safe. Data flow diagram level 1. The cycle begins with interacting with user via user command and data. The next step was to create an account which required user information. The configuration of information will be recorded as configuration data when it has been verified. The user will need to select the program, check their attendance on GPS sensor detect location information, and then show their merit if the present and event location match. If a user already has an account, they must sign in with their email and password. Then pick a program by entering enrollment key. A GPS sensor detect location information, and if the present and event location match, they can exhibit their merits. Data flow diagram level 2. At level 2, the GPS sensor was used to convey the sensor status. After that, we will verify the current location and compare it to the event location. The attendance confirmation will be valid if the GPS location match. The attendance confirmation will be invalid if the current location and the event location do not match. Okay, next is the use case. Use case is to know the location of participants and identify their attendance. Actor 1 is the user. Participant will log in into the app. For any student who already have an account, if the student forget their password, they may use the lost password feature to reset. If an admin want to log in, they must first hit create an event, then provide their class email address and password. After login, student must complete self-enrollment by entering the program or cloud enrollment key. If the participant do not have an account, they must sign up first and fill out the needed information. They must next complete the login section by entering their email and password. They must next choose the event to which they wish to participate. After that, the attendance page will open and they need to turn on their location for attendance purpose. After attendance has been validated, the general area will display information such as name, ID, program, and merit. Then, if they want to give feedback, they may hit the feedback button. Actor 2, the organizer. If any participant log into the app, the organizer will receive a notice. If a new user sign up, their data will be stored in the app's cloud, which is Firebase DB. When participants enter the enrollment key, the organizer will know the total numbers of participants. When the user select an event, the organizer will be notified of the total numbers attended. When the participant switches on their location, the organizer will compare the location and ensure that the participant is present. The organizer will enter the merit for participant when attendance has been verified. After that, the organizer will be able to read the user's feedback. Okay, next is navigation maps. This graphic is a navigation map. By logging out of the program, you may visit the login page from the main feeds, ticket screen, location settings screen, and map screen. It can also be observed in this diagram that the majority of the screens are interconnected, allowing the user to rapidly access the app's desired purpose. This was accomplished by including a setting panel within the majority of the display. That's all from me. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Muhammad Khalil Faiz bin Abdul Rahim. My ID number is EA19061. So this part will be gonna be an admin to create event. So we go here, enter the admin ID and password. So to create event, just put anything in the program name. For example, run enrollment key 123, and the merit receive is 5. Select that, the time, and then for the location, and then create event. We will show the event is created.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I will demonstrate the flow of student role in this attendance app. So first, student enter his email. Then password. I can easily log in because I have verified my email address just now because I set up earlier, and then we came to this screen enrollment key. It will appear details of user, then insert enrollment key 123. So after we insert enrollment key given by the admin, it will show location of ourselves. So this is my location and this is the program name. When the location is matched with the admin stored location, the button confirm can be pressed. So after that, we can get merit. The merit given is 5. This is program name and user details. After we get the merit, we can give comment at feedback. Click feedback and give comment and submit the comment. This comment will appear at the view feedback screen at the admin page. Then we press home and it will go to the first screen, which is login and sign up screen. Next, I will show the block for the location screen. This is the location screen to detect the location of user, and this is the block. Okay. From this block, I have called the stored location by the admin in the Firebase, and then I compare it with location sensor. If the location is matched, then the better one is true. If not, then the better one is false. And then I also get tag the program name, so the program name will appear at the screen. And then we click button 1, and then button 1 will go to the screen 6, which is the merit details. In this side is the location sensor block. This is where the location of users being appear at the screen. Okay, that's all. Thank you.
the security part. As you can see in here, this is the login and sign up page. This is the block for the login and sign up page. It contains an API that we use to get the secure token. And for the security part, when the user create an account, they will need to verify using their email before they can log in into the apps, and they will get the return secure token to increase the security of the user data. So this is the block for the login and sign up. And this is for the name ID number that we can get from the database. So this is for the security, the authentication. As you can see, the user ID is saved in here for the authentication. So this is for the block. And this is for the GPS. This is the block for the GPS. This is for the activity merit detail. The data here can be obtained from the database, in the real-time database. So this is for the feedback. When the user submit, it will send all the feedback into the spreadsheet, like you can see in here. And this only can be accessed in the admin screen to view all the feedback. So this is for the admin screen. And here in the block, and this is the screen where the admin can view all the feedback in here.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Omar Shakib Said. My number is A19051. Today I'm going to present about the recommendation of this application. First thing is we need to make it accessible for iOS and also Android. To make this application suit for both, we need to assure developer skills, set priorities, and ensure competent testing on all the platforms, so that we have adequate time for testing schedule into the application design and development process. The second one is adding user recommended features like a dark theme. It was to enhance the battery life by using the dark colors. So the conclusion is, to summarize, the goals of this project is to create a mobile application that uses the global positioning system GPS to track student attendance, allowing users to notify the organizers of their attendance by informing them of their location as well as the program in which they have enrolled, allowing the organizers to approve their participation. If the location of program does not match, they will not be able to participate in the program. This application also makes use of Android Studio and Flutter. The system can identify the student's position when the student engages the GPS mode. The database is used to track the student attendance in real time, and it may be linked to the Android Studio via Flutter. Finally, the system that our team carefully created functions well, looks pleasant and neat, and has a huge amount of satisfied users. So that's all from us. Thank you.